put in lots and lots of drain tile. And what we do is we go around and we collect PVC pipe. And when we need pipe, we need a lot of PVC pipe. And we take the PVC pipe, like a 4-inch piece right here, we cut it down the middle to make our own connectors. And in this video, you'll see how we reuse PVC for making connectors to put our pipe together. We use two parts that are cut down just as you saw, and we slip one on top of the other, and we put the pipe together with it. Takes a little doing, but it's fairly easy to do. And it'll slip right in.
All right, hold it just a second. Give me a second. All right. All right, do it again.
Bingo. And then we lock it closed.
Hold that there.
And now we have a free PVC connector for our drain tile.
You just heard a car.
We collect all kinds of PVC. If you have PVC and you don't want it, we'll take it. Or if you want to bring it to Highland Hill Farm, we'll trade it for some trees or something. But we're located on Route 313 in Fountainville, PA, and we specialize in growing arborvitaes, pines, and spruces. And we do deliver and plant in most New Jersey and Pennsylvania locations. A lot of PVC parts in my barn, but it seems like I never have the PVC part that I need. As many PVC parts that I collect, I seem to never have that one piece that I always am looking for. So you can help me by bringing me your scrap PVC that you don't need at Highland Hill Farm. And if you need a piece of PVC and we have it, you're welcome to come get a piece. It's not a problem. We've got plenty, and we'll help you. Just give us a call at 215-651-8329. This is Bill, the PVC collector at Highland Hill. If you need help with plant selections, call us at Highland Hill Farm. We'd be glad to offer assistance.